So what is this? Is it your Christmas gift?
Yes.
I didn't see this before. So what is this called?
Coffees of the world.
Coffees of the world?
Yeah.
So how many coffees is in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 coffees.
Yeah.
So what are they? Monson, Malabar, Santos and Java, Sumatra, Dominican Republic, San Agustin, Colombia, Guatemala elephant, Mucho Dijima, Kenya,
Raspberry.
peaberry.
Peaberry. Oh, it's peaberry. Oh, my goodness.
Never know what is peaberry anyway.
Okay.
Ethiopia, Yirga Chefe. Okay, lift the box. This looks very posh box.
Well, this is strong. This is medium, and this is my.
Oh, the
mild.
numbers are written.
Yeah, the strength.
So, actually, 1, 1, 1, 2 goes to 3.
We've got 4, I think. Yeah, we've got
5,
4, and then it's
up
5.
to 5.
So this one's a bit stronger. These are very strong. So you've got the mild coffee, and then this one is something. It's a little bit mild.
Which one you want to go for it?
I think this one.
I read this one, which is written
It's
a
got
mellow,
wine and
fruity
spice,
coffee
so
with notes of wine and spice.
so we're going to try this one.
Let me see. Is it a coffee bag or coffee?
I don't know. We were thinking it might be bags, but oh my goodness, let me get it out. Oh,
Where
it's
we
quite
got it?
this came from Debenham. There we go.
Oh,
And that's
coffee
his.
of the world.
yeah.
Patrick Dempsey.
Whittard.
66 gram.
Yeah, and that's Whittard Chelsea, and it's a very old mate.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I'm looking forward to my spicy coffee.
Let us go and see how you actually do the brewing.
Yeah.
Let's go and taste it.
Oh, lovely. Very nice. Different.
Oh, yeah, a little bit hot.
Bit spicy.
It's spicy, yeah. I mean, not hot. I mean, hot, spicy.
Hot.
I mean, hot because it's boiling water.
And it's spicy. Spicy.
Nice to smell. A good aroma of the coffee. You can smell it. Oh, I like this. Let me go have it with chocolate. Sorry, I have to go have it with chocolate. I cannot resist. See you later. Bye.